How to put tweets on your blog. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through how you can put tweets on your blog post. So for example, guys, I want to put this particular tweet on a blog post. So I'm going to just be giving you an example here, guys, with a doc. So for example, guys, we are using this tweet here and we want to put it in a blog post. Let's just go ahead and click on the share icon showing just down below your screen. So when you click on that share icon, just go ahead and click on where it says copy link, guys. So when you copy the link, guys, head over to your blog. So for my case, I'm using doc. I'm using Google Doc, but just head over to your blog and follow the same step, guys. So just go ahead and highlight where you want to put in, where you want to embed your tweet. When you do that, guys, go ahead and click on where it says insert link. So for your case, if you're using the laptop, you're going to be seeing on the top bar of your screen. But just go ahead and insert the link just the way you insert normal link. So let's go ahead and insert link. So let's go ahead and paste in the link we copied from Twitter. So when you paste in the link, just click on where it says go, and you can see, guys, I have embedded this link on my post. So if you're using any blog post, you can just follow the same step and do this, guys. So when you click on it, guys, so let's click on done. And when we click on this, guys, click on it, it's going to take us directly to the tweet we just embedded. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.